Hi everybody, happy Asynchronous Wednesday. Good news. Last week, while we were all on winter break, NASA landed on Mars. The Perseverance rover dropped out of space, heated up, deployed a parachute, dropped a heat shield, separated a shell, and then lowered a rover the size of a small car onto the surface of another planet to look for life. So they're going to find and analyze samples of actual Martian soil, not the stuff that came from my kitchen. So that's part of your asynchronous work today. You have 2 jobs today. 1, I posted a couple movies about the Mars rover. One of them is actual footage from the actual spaceship while it was actually landing, because they put cameras on a spaceship so that we could record its landing. That's amazing. And so I want you to watch that and answer the question that I asked about the video. Or you could watch a video about a helicopter that they built into the Mars rover and that they're going to fly on Mars. And you can answer a question about that video. You only have to watch one, although they're both awesome, and you only have to answer one question. Your second task for Asynchronous Wednesday is to practice your vocabulary on GimKit. Make sure that you put your name in so that you can earn credit for your work, and that you keep that GimKit tab open until the website tells you you're done. I'm going to put a time limit of about 15 minutes on there because I don't want you to have to work longer than that. And remember, you want to try to get the questions right because you have to get more than 70% of the questions right to earn a 4. Have a wonderful, wonderful Asynchronous Wednesday. If you have questions, I'll have office hours. Take a look at Google Classroom to see what time. Bye-bye.